Okay, so this bathroom is done. We did the floor with LVT. We glazed the tiles all the way around the jacuzzi tub and the shower. We did the shower pan as separate. We just did it white. Did shoe molding. Installed a new toilet. Painted the walls and trim. Glazed the vanity top and the vanity cabinets. Installed new lights, new mirrors, installed new faucets. Yep. You don't have to gut it to get this done. Okay, so this bathroom is done. We installed the new floor. We glazed that vanity, installed new faucets, painted the walls, glazed the tile wrap around the soaker tub, removed the glass doors, glazed with texture, anti-skid floor and 100% waterproof, and also glazed the tiles. And now the tile grout is sealed. Nothing's going to penetrate this. Yep, soap dish has been glazed. Silicone around the, removed and reinstalled the toilet. You don't have to spend, $15,000 doing a bathroom renovation. There's a couple things still to be done in here, but it's almost completely finished. Pretty cool.